How did a teacher's pet get completely owned? Everyone had that one kid who was always the ultimate teacher's pet. But this kid, he never studied, never did homework, and somehow he had okay grades. Not because he was smart, but because he sucked up to every single teacher. He thought school was a game where all you had to do was be the favorite, and somehow it almost worked. Until one day, it backfired. We had a science quiz on the structure of cells. It wasn't even a hard one, as long as you actually studied. But the second we sat down, he looked at the first question and immediately panicked. Then, in front of the entire class, he raised his hand. Can I take this quiz tomorrow? I didn't get a chance to study. The entire room went silent. Even the teacher's pet wasn't that bold. The teacher just stared at him for a second, then said, "No, I flew through the quiz. No problem." Most people finished pretty quickly too, but the teacher's pet completely lost, staring at his paper like the answers would magically appear. At one point, he just sighed and started doodling on the corner of his test. When he finally turned it in, the teacher gave him a very suspicious look. So he graded everyone's quizzes on the spot. 10 minutes later, he handed them back. I got an A. Other people got B's and C's, but when the teacher's pet flipped his paper over, a giant F was on the paper. Then the teacher stood up. "Due to a clear lack of effort from some students, I'm postponing the test to give people another chance to actually learn the material." Everyone knew who he was talking about. The teacher's pet turned bright red. He just sat there, staring at his desk like he was about to pass out. But from that day on, he actually started studying. No more excuses, no more buttering up teachers, and for the first time ever, he actually